A business's biggest problem is getting more sales opportunities. The best way to get more sales opportunities is to provide a remarkable offer so good it's difficult for their ideal client to say no. We believe it's difficult for a business to attract more sales opportunities when they do not have a remarkable offer that attracts their ideal client. This is the very first problem we solve for a business. We call it the Cupcake Strategy. Let's say you want to build $1 million cupcake business. The cupcake represents what you sell, the icing is your remarkable offer, and your ideal client is someone who loves chocolate cupcakes. We help you identify who your most profitable ideal client is, the problem they have, a hyper-specific solution that solves their problem, and a remarkable offer that's difficult to say no to. Next, our growth plan helps a business identify the best outreach marketing strategy to get in contact with their ideal client and use Go High Level to build a sales funnel that introduces their remarkable offer. This is the very first step in building $1 million cupcake business, one ideal client at a time. As you identify people in your sphere of influence that match your ideal client, you are prepared to introduce your very best offer to acquire them as a client. An avatar message is a hyper-specific solution tailored to your ideal client's exact problem, aligning your social media content and sales funnel to instantly build trust and drive higher lead conversions. Now that we have solved a business avatar message that attracts your ideal client who is financially able to afford your product or service, it's time to build out your infrastructure. While every business needs a website, ours comes built to convert. Our growth plan equips you with a high-performing website featuring a built-in chatbot and automated SMS text bot to capture and convert leads 24/7. Just as important, it comes with a reputation management automation strategy, which is essential for boosting your organic Google rankings by capturing 5-star reviews from new and past customers. We set up an automated SMS system that immediately requests feedback, smartly routing positive reviews directly to Google while intercepting negative feedback privately so you can resolve issues internally. By launching a reactivation campaign targeting your existing customer base, we help you easily collect the valuable reviews you've been missing. Before our meeting, I just wanted to point out that if you actually want to get started with Go High Level, there's a link in the description and/or form down below to get started today. When you sign up for our growth plan, we use the Cupcake Strategy to identify your ideal client, a hyper-specific solution, and a sales funnel for that hyper-specific solution. Everything we have spoken about in this video to give you a quicker start.